have an RTX 3070. Hello everyone, that's Tech Kid here, and today we are doing something a little different. We are going to be, well, not really different, but something new. We are going to be unboxing tech. I don't know if this should be a series. If no, let me know, and we'll see what happens. But I don't have a name for it yet. I might. Let's get into it. This box is already open because I needed something from this box to record this video, but everything else is as I left it. So we have the thing I needed, which was a USB-C to headphone jack, because I don't have that anymore. An Hdmi cable. Now these I'm excited for. These are LED lights for my streaming setup. These are going to be very helpful, and I cannot wait to use them. And then I also ordered new speakers, since I do not have any speakers on my computer anymore. So let's go ahead and check this out. These are the Creative Pebble speakers that everyone says are extremely great for the price. I will let you know on Twitter, follow me on Twitter, on how these things perform. They look very nice. Smell good too. These are really nice looking speakers, and I absolutely cannot wait to use them. I really hope you could hear that. Yeah, cannot wait to use them. And then in this little thing right here is just paperwork. This is an HDMI cable because, as you'll see in this video, which is the last product, I don't have it right now as I'm recording this segment, but you will see it in this video. But I got another thing. I'm going to need another cable. And it's a nice braided cable. I like it. Cool. Alright, next for the things I'm really excited for. Do this. Yeah. These are Viltrox mini LED lights for lighting up my face while streaming. There's the paperwork. These are rechargeable, so you don't need to plug them in or anything for like DC power. These are really nice. They come with a magnetic diffuser. Those are really darn cool. They will also be used in videos as well. Lower to 10%. They go all the way to 85,000 Kelvin. These are really freaking cool. And then what else you got in the box is your accessories. You got a little tripod and stuff, and the charging cable as well. For how cheap these are really nice quality. They are plastic, but they feel like metal. They're really nice. They really are. I will let you know on Twitter how these go as well. I'll be using them for a little bit. So that's that. I'm not opening the second one because those are the Viltrox RB08 LED lights. If you guys are curious about anything and you want to purchase something, links will be affiliated down below in the description. So that is it from the first package. Next package. This package is a little more kind of special to me. I'm learning a lesson from the first time. You may seem a little familiar because it is from the same company as my previous FedEx unboxing. So with that hint, you may know what this is. This is two products. There are three things in here. OnePlus Nord N100, OnePlus Bud Z Stephen Harrington edition. I will only open the OnePlus Z because there will be a separate video. You guys should have already seen the unboxing for this video for the phone and the earbuds. So those will be set aside. Bullets Wireless Z, sorry. Ooh, I hope I didn't mess that up. Here they are. If you guys want, I can do a review on these. I would love to do a review on these. Oh yeah, those are nice. Yeah, if you want, I'll do a review on these. I would be glad to do that. These are the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Bullets Wireless. There's those. And then, of course, actually, I probably should. That's right. All right, that's fine. So unboxing should already be out of these. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Link in the description. Now next. This is why there is that extra HDMI cable. Because with the last purchase at the end of this video, now this is not a special monitor at all. It's the same one that I have now. So it's not that expensive, but it's still a really it's still a really great monitor. It is the Acer SBO series, link in the description. Nice. I'm not putting it together yet because I don't have a spot for it, and I have no need for it. So yeah, it's just the same monitor. So that's cardboard. It only comes with VGA, so that's why I got the HDMI cable, so it doesn't come with one. But if you want to see it, that's the monitor right there. Exact same as mine. So just to make a dual monitor setup, that's why I got this. That'll be it for this segment. For you, it's going to be a second, but I get to come in tomorrow. So we will change to that. Whoa! Another day for me. Just a few seconds for you guys. Alright, next package is here. Probably didn't need a knife, to be honest. Alright. So we're going to go with the smaller package first. I got pricey earbuds. Now these are some pretty pricey earbuds, but they are another thing for my streaming. I probably don't need a knife for this either. So let's, yeah, I just gotta. I'm really curious how these are gonna work and pan out for streaming, just because they're gaming oriented. But yet they're earbuds, not headphones. So I am really definitely excited to try these out for sure. Ooh. Oh, those are sick. Wow. One of these things are a pretty penny. They're all metal. Built really well. They feel great. Yeah. I'll let you guys know on Twitter as well how these work on streaming and all that. So keep on the lookout for that. Alright, and there's something else in the box. These are the Hammerhead Duos. That's what they are. I get a Razer sticker! Let's go! My day is already better. My day is already the best it can be. Alright, cool. Alright, for the next package, got a new microphone. Because I'd rather just go all out when I start streaming. Get a new microphone as well. Again, this is by Fifine. K683. It smells like spray paint. Oh, wow, this is really nice. Oh, yes. That is hefty, too. That is really darn hefty. That's like fresh paint. Got a monitoring jack. Oh, yeah, this thing is really cool. This thing is really, really darn cool. And here we have some accessories. Here's their full metal stand, just in case you do not have a boom arm. So it would go on like this, like that. But I'm not going to use that because I have a boom arm. And then, ooh, yeah, your USB-C cable, and I think I'm really excited for, because I don't have one on mine, the pop filter. I am really excited to use this. I have the USB Type-C to USB Type to do a data cable and Type A. So that's it for this day. On to the last product. All right, this is the last and final package. It's pretty big, isn't it? Let's see what's inside. This here is a tool that is going to help with my content creation. Oh, fudge. Yeah, we're gonna have to.
You need help with the computer?
Nope, I got it. All right. Little story behind what I ordered here. Alrighty. We got the accessories. Alright, let's look at the accessories first. Ooh, it's a nice bag too. Okay. Disk drive, thanks, but we're not in 2015. Okay. Cables. Alright. And a little Wi-Fi thingy, I guess. Alrighty. Yes, I know I'm a tech channel, and I know it's a pre-built, but I am small, nor am I rich. So I cannot afford to break something building my first PC. And plus, there was a card that I really wanted that I could not get a hold of that is in this computer. I have an RTX 3070. Granted, it's not a 3080 or 3090, but it is still a hard card to get. So that was my main reason why I got this computer. That's some nice plastic. ABS pre-built. Yes, I know I'm a tech channel, but I can't afford to mess up a gaming PC myself. So I got a pre-built, but this one is very special because it's got an RTX 3070. And from Gigabyte. Here's a picture of what it looks like. So far, what I can see, cable management, not bad. It could be better. My computer is an ABS Gladiator with an i5 10400F and an RTX 3070. I don't think this comes off, so I'm just gonna leave it. It's got a magnetic little filter. It just sits on top. So there's the front. I think this is a rose gold case, so this is really nice. This is the inside, and then cable management. There's a cable management. I am really excited. We got some Rosewell fans, a deep cooler, air cooler. This is gonna be a big upgrade. This video will be edited on this computer, and I am really excited. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll be streaming on Twitch. Link down in the description and on the screen. This will be the streams will be powered by this. So yeah, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.